Have you ever wondered what is a supplementary property tax bill and how to avoid unnecessary out of pocket costs out from this bill? All that and more coming up in Tagalog version this time. Alright, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ian Divinagracia sa hindi pa nakakilala sa akin. Isa po akong realtor dito sa Fresno, California since 2019. Ang company ko is Central California Real Estate Pros, formerly Keller Williams dito sa Fresno, California. So ngayong araw na to, gusto ko pag-usapan yung supplementary property tax bill. So, kasi merong mga clients ako before na na-surprise sila na, bakit meron pang another na babayaran on top sa ano nila mortgage, no? One time lang 'to, kahit na mag-cash or financing ka, makakatanggap ka pa rin ng supplementary property tax bill. Brand new or resale, meron pa rin. Mati-trigger 'to kung may change of ownership. Of course, kung bibili ka ng bahay, from previous owner, papunta sa'yo yung bahay, ikaw yung new owner. So, mati-trigger yan at least dito sa Fresno County. And then, yung mortgage escrow account mo, hindi sila mag-cover doon. Ikaw yung mismo magbabayad sa supplementary property tax bill. Tapos, kailan mo 'to matatanggap? So usually mga a few months and sometimes yung ibang clients ko, it will take up to a year bago sila makatanggap ng supplementary property tax bill. Tapos imagine when you buy a home, pag nakatira ka na doon, yung binabayaran mo na property taxes for the next few months is yung rate pa ng previous owner ng property. Hindi pa yon rate ng pagbili mo. So meaning yung assessed value ng previous owner, yun pa ang binabayaran mo for a few months. Kasi dito sa Fresno County, yung fiscal year nila is June 30. So hindi nila i-recalculate yung property taxes mo until end of June 30. So pag June 30, i-recalculate nila, doon mo pa makukuha yung actual um, na tama na value sa property tax mo. So, merong mga few months na binabayaran mo lower pa compared to ano talaga yung actual na binabayaran mo. So, mangyayari niyan, um, every month after you buy a home, yung tamang property taxes ang binabayaran mo doon sa escrow company mo, yung mortgage servicer mo, tama yung binabayaran mo na property taxes. However, ang i-remit nila doon sa Fresno County, on my case, is yung lower pa na value. So that means, may time na i-refund ka nila sa sobra ng binabayaran mo. So makatanggap ka ng check. So it will range maybe 3,000, 5,000, and even more depending on kailan ka naka-close. So for example, na-close ka ng bahay for let's say January. Tapos yung fiscal year is June 30, 'di ba? So January, February, March, April, May, June. So may mga 5 to 6 months ka na uh, payments na yung old na assessed value pa. So meron kang 6 months na worth na i-refund sa'yo. I mean, may difference na i-refund sa'yo. Difference ng value ng bahay mo versus ano yung old assessed value ng bahay mo. I-refund sa'yo yan. So, ang mangyari yan, huwag mong gagastusin yung pera na yon. Huwag mong gagastusin. You just keep it in your bank account. I-deposit mo. Tapos, mag-antay ka ng supplementary tax bill. Tapos, pagdating ng supplementary tax bill, yung pera na yon ang gagamitin mo pangbayad ng supplementary tax bill. So, yun yung advice ko. Huwag mong gagastusin yung check na ni-refund sa'yo ng mortgage servicer mo. Okay? Kasi yun ang gagamitin mo pangbayad when you get the supplementary tax bill. If you have any questions about it, give me a call, text me, or leave a comment dito sa chat. And I'll be happy to explain to you more kung kailangan mo pa ng explanation. And kung meron pa kayong mga topics na gusto nating pag-usapan dito sa channel na to, any real estate related, I would be happy to cater that as well. Okay? So again, this is Ian Divinagracia from Central California Real Estate Pros. And thank you very much for your time. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.